serious. She said you don't talk too much, she says that I'm mysterious. But I don't know her well enough, I'm quiet, I'm not shy. And if I really fall with you, I'll make sure it's a vibe. I ain't gonna lie, if it ain't a money talk, it's just a waste of time. Why would I go take you serious if you ain't mine? That's for all the hoes that never fuck with me, alright. My bro said you alright, just checking if I'm good, I'm fine, chillin'. Bro, from a young gun always had a damn plan. But when I lost that bread, it had me psycho. I had to take it in cause I'm a man. And now I don't know if I'm on the right road. I've started from the ground, I'll start again. I need some time to think alone, I'm in my bed. Rewriting shit, just trying to do it all again. And I don't mind, I just need a wifey to be there. Please don't take me serious. She said you don't talk too much, she says that I'm mysterious. But I don't know her well enough, I'm quiet, I'm not shy. And if I really fall with you, I'll make sure it's a vibe. I ain't gonna lie, if it ain't a money talk, it's just a waste of time. Why would I go take you serious if you ain't mine? That's for all the hoes that never fuck with me, alright. My bro said you alright, just checking if I'm good, I'm fine, chillin'. Being at my lowest always had me feeling high. Cause I knew I was made to go ahead and be successful. If I put time and effort, bro, they said you got potential. I'm trying to get back up, but life will never be so stressful. Whoa, you don't know the feeling when you put the work in. Didn't show me love when I was really hurting. Now you wanna come right back, you don't deserve it. She don't take me serious. She said you don't talk too much, she says that I'm mysterious. But I don't know her well enough, I'm quiet, I'm not shy. And if I really fall with you, I'll make sure it's a vibe. I ain't gonna lie, if it ain't a money talk, it's just a waste of time. Why would I go take you serious if you ain't mine? That's for all the hoes that never fuck with me, alright. My bro said you alright, just checking if I'm good, I'm fine, chillin'.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that tripe? I attended Harlem picnics when you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, hope that they don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling beans, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands, bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll fuck your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your home if your bitch keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Suck a nigga, dig or something. 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 I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I'm in a sucking place, no Instagram or watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee-wee. I think I need a full some Bella can do Gigi. It be easy if we're easy, hook it all up on the leasy. I go crazy in my Yeezy, Kurt Neezy on a beat. I told them that we finna glow up in the street. Rappers talk subliminal, but they don't talk to me. Put them in the jersey, show it like Paulie D. Ride with the mob,